Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I fixed my Siteground hosted website from a specific cache issue that I came upon recently. Come on, let me show you how to fix it. Alright guys, if you have Siteground as your website hosting provider and you're having issues with your content not updating on certain devices every time you make a change, here's the solution. So I recently came upon this issue when updating my website. Every time I would make a content update and every time I would check it on my phone, it wouldn't update on my phone. It would only update on the browser version, on the desktop version. I knew it was a cache issue. I wasn't sure if it was with my just my phone or a WordPress issue. I use WordPress for my website and I do have a cache plugin installed, so I deleted the cache from there a couple times and that didn't work. I even deactivated the plugin, that didn't work. I also installed a new plugin just to see if that would fix it, that didn't work. So I was a little stuck, and then I found out that Siteground actually has a cache setting for their websites on the backend part. So if you go to Siteground, if you go to websites and then you find your website, go to Site Tools. Under Site Tools, you'll find a tab called Speed. Click that, go to Caching. Under Caching, you will find these three different caching levels. The one you want to go to is Dynamic Cache. Under Actions, you'll see this flush cache icon. Click that, and that will flush your cache on your website on the back end. As soon as I did this, my content showed up correctly on my phone, so this solved my problem. I know it's a little bit of a pain if having to go through it through the back end, but wanted to show this so in case you have this issue as well. Alright, that's it. Thanks guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to check out all the other videos on this topic on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.